Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about algebra. The topic that is about we need to find the foot of the perpendicular. So now I will show you how to answer. Let's say we have the line in here and we have the point number 1, 0. So we have another line. They go through point 8 and we have perpendicular to this line in here. So in this one, we need to find the slope of this line. We know that we have the slope of this one that is about m. So because this is about perpendicular, so the slope of this line that should be about negative 1 over m. This is about negative reciprocal. So after we have this one, we have the formula. So we can use about y minus y0 equals to k multiplied by s minus s0. This is about slope and point from in here. So we put y0 that is about number 0. And this one that is about number 1. K that is about negative 1 over m. Now we simplify and we have like this. So the question they want to find this one. Now we have this equation and this equation. We can find the system of equations in here. This one, I will put negative 1 over m s, positive 1 over m. So negative 1 over m multiplied by s and negative number 1. That's why we have like this. Now we have y and y. We can find the value of s. Now we simplify for the both sides. So I will put this one cone here. So we have s and s. We can do about factorization. So we know that s equals to number 0. After we have s equals to number 0, we put this one in here to find the value of y. So y equals to 1 over m. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.